Right, so I'm going to make this video because I can, and I don't understand some people's logic. So, I have a car here that was bought to me by a man. We're going to call him a man. I'm not going to show you the reg number because I don't really want to be responsible for any of it, to be honest. But the vehicle was bought to me, and the question was asked, could you bleed my brakes? Yeah, no problem. So, I comes underneath the vehicle, you know, expecting to bleed the brakes. This is what I see. That is the brake flexi hose. Yes, it's touching the wheel. That is the brake bleeder. And when you look at the side that he hasn't touched, what's the problem, do we think? Why do we think he struggled to bleed the brakes up? I think it's because he's been a bit of a Rodney. And then there are some questionable modifications. One of which, when I picked it up on the lift, the driver's side rear wheel went clunk. So if we just look at the shocker bush there, it's a little bit worn out and not the greatest thing in the world, but we can see the shocker bush is there and everything's, you know, everything's alright, it's as it should be, really. This wheel went clunk. Can anybody tell me why? It's not because the bush has been cut off and there's two massive washers on there, is it? I'm starting to think I'm going to park this outside and I'm going to tell him if he doesn't know how to fix it, probably best not to try. Especially when it comes to your braking system.